It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Terrain Elevation. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel are some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, an electric park brake just below, power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior with a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the power sunroof buttons, interior light buttons, OnStar, and a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. Our shortcut buttons are down below here, including navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just below. Auto stop start, hazard lights, dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, electronic precision shifting, USB ports and a power plug-in, no slip matting, dual cup holders, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure warning, two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and off-road mode. Starting at the front of the Terrain, we have the darkened grille, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, black mirror caps and door handles, black roof rails, keyless entry and keyless start, rear tinted windows, remote start. As we make our way to the back, the blacked out SLE emblem and the rear window wiper. Next, I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to pop open the power lift gate. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the seat releases to fold those second row seats down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The back of our front passenger seat has a seat pocket, the rear fans, USB ports, a power plug-in down near the floor. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to lay these rear seats flat by pulling the seat release on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Terrain Elevation, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com. And to stay up to date on all things GMC, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons.